Hey guys, so today we're going to be making our own lock kit. We've already got the measurements all marked out. We'll cut that, weld it back on, and then it should give us some more lock. And then we'll re-drill the camber plates, and that'll give us some more camber as well. So we got all the knuckles cut, now we just got to weld them. Alright, so it's probably been, I reckon, a month since we've made up these knuckles. The car has had one drift event since then, but now it's time to chuck them on, drill the camber plates, and then see how it looks. Since doing these up, I've bought some 35mm spacers, so it won't rub on anything. And then got some new wheel bearings that will go on the knuckles. We just got the knuckle out. Time to get our camber plates out. So we just got the camber brackets and camber brackets out. Turns out they're already drilled, so we'll have to chuck them back in and then change it to that hole. Alright, so just got the steering knuckles on. Now we got to chuck the wheel bearings onto the knuckles. But yeah, so it turns out our camber brackets were already re-drilled by the previous owner. So 40mm in between the original hole, and it gives you -6 degrees camber. So didn't have to drill those, they were already done. So yeah, chuck the wheel bearings on, chuck some wheels on, and see how it looks, and do an alignment as well, because you got to do that after you put these on. So yeah. Alright, so I just got the wheel bearings on, the calipers back on, brakes back on, spacers on. Now we just got to do an alignment, and I got to do the same on this side. So chuck the calipers on and all the other shit. So yeah, the camber and the angle is all done, all installed. Got 35mm spacers on there so we don't hit the springs. I'm very happy with how it came out. I'll show you what it's like at full lock. So that pretty damn good. Way better than the stock angle. So on our cardboard, we got our, so that was stock, which is about like, I'd say like 47 or something like that. And then that's the new angle. So that's about 55. So not bad. And we didn't even have to do anything to the tie rods or the racks. We didn't do any rack spaces or anything, just gave it an alignment. And she's good to go. Can't wait to test it at the track, and that'll be in a video in a couple weeks. So see you then.
Riders on the storm. Riders on the storm. Into this house we're born. Into this world we're thrown.